we have the Prayatnam team represented by Dr. Sasirekha Ram Mohan and Dr. Sujata Mohan here. Up next is Srimati Lokeshwari. We request Dr. Sasirekha Ram Mohan and Dr. Sujata Mohan to give their token of love to our Acharya, Dr. Kalaimamani Srilata Vinod. We request Srimati Atina Madhu to also join us. Next, Srimati Lokeshwari's Shri Antara. Srimati Lokeshwari began her Bharatanatyam journey at the age of 10 under the guidance of Srimati Saraswati. She started pursuing intensive training with Kalaimamani Dr. Srilata Vinod from the age of 18. She holds an MA in Bharatanatyam and has completed all 6 levels of Prayatnam, emerging as a topper. Srimati Lokeshwari has performed at prestigious events such as Kalarpanam Dance Festival and Bharata Kalanjali's Swarna Samaroganam. As part of Antara Center for Performing Arts, she was also part of notable group productions like Eesanadi Potri, Alaga Muruga, Kalam and Parapare. She is a faculty member at Antara Center for Performing Arts, where she trains and teaches students. In 2023, she started Shri Antara Center for Natyam as a branch of Antara. Currently, she is working as a school coordinator at Adayar Theosophical Academy, while continuing to nurture her passion for Bharatanatyam. We request our Acharyas to honor the artist and her students. Shri Antara students are here to perform Shri Vigna Rajam Bhaje in Ragam Gambhira Nate, set to Khanda Chaputalam, composed by Oothukadu Venkata Subbayar and choreographed by Dr. Srilata Vinod.
Shri Vigna Rajam Bhaje. Tam takkitta tam tam, deem takkitta deem deem, tam takkitta deem takkitta tum, takkitta nam, takkitta tam tam, deem takkitta deem deem, tam takkitta deem takkitta tum, takkitta nam, takkitta tam deem, takkitta tum, takkitta tam, takkitta deem, takkitta tum, takkitta deem deem, tam, takkitta deem, takkitta tum, takkitta tam, takkitta deem, takkitta tum, takkitta deem deem, tam, tatakka janu deem, tatakka dimi tam, tat deem, tat jam, tat nam, takkadakkadakkadum, takkadakkadakkadum. Shri Vigna Rajam Bhaje. Shri Vigna Rajam Bhaje. Shri Vigna Rajam Bhaje. Shri Vigna Rajam Bhaje. Hum Bhaje Taviga Shri Vigna Rajam Bhaje. Shri Vigna Rajam Bhaje. Hum Bhaje Taviga Shri Vigna Rajam Bhaje. Shri Vigna Rajam Bhaje. Hum Bhaje Taviga Shri Vigna Rajam Bhaje. Shri Vigna Rajam Bhaje. Hum Bhaje Taviga Shri Vigna Rajam Bhaje. Bhaje. शङ्करिसुतं सन्ततमहं कुञ्जरमुखं शङ्करसुतं शङ्करिसुतं सन्ततमहं तन्तिसुन्दरमुखम् अन्धकान्तकसुतं तमिग श्रीविघ्नराजं भजे श्रीविघ्नराजं भजेऽहं भजे तमिग श्रीविघ्नराजं भजे सन्ततमहं तन्तिसुन्दरमुखम् अन्धकान्तकसुतं तमिग श्रीविघ्नराजं भजे श्रीविघ्नराजं भजेऽहं भजे तमिग श्रीविघ्नराजं भजे कनककेयूरहारावळी कलितगम्भीरगौरकिरि शोभं सुशोभं कनककेयूरहारावळी कलितगम्भीरगौरकिरि शोभं सुशोभं कामारि भयभरितमूढमद कलिकलुषकण्ठितमकण्ठ प्रतापं कामारि भयभरितमूढमद कलिकलुषकण्ठितमकण्ठ प्रतापं सनकसुखनारद पतञ्जलि पराचर मदगमुनि सङ्गसल्लापं सनकसुखनारद पतञ्जलि पराचर मदगमुनि सङ्गसल्लापं सत्यपरमं जनयन प्रमुदमुक्तिकर तत्त्वमसि नित्यनिगमादिस्वरूपं सत्यपरमं जनयन प्रमुदमुक्तिकर तत्त्वमसि नित्यनिगमादिस्वरूपं श्रीविघ्नराजं भजे श्रीविघ्नराजं भजेऽहं भजे तमिग श्रीविघ्नराजं भजे श्रीविघ्नराजं भजेऽहं भजे तमिग श्रीविघ्नराजं भजे श्रीविघ्नराजं भजे श्रीविघ्नराजं भजे 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 हे